Hey guys, this is Teacher Elo and I'm here to explain present continuous. What are you doing? Okay, so today we will learn what is present continuous, how to make it, common mistakes, and some practice at the end. So the first thing is, what is present continuous? So when we think about the time for present continuous, it means right now. It means an activity happening at this moment. So in the picture, we have a person on the phone and they're watching a YouTube video. So maybe for you, you are watching a YouTube video right now, or you are learning English right now. Okay, so it's in this moment. Sometimes we use it for the future, and that is more of conversation, right? So normally we use it for the time right now. Okay, here are some examples, and you're going to see all of these have two verbs. My friend is visiting from Miami. They are listening to music. You are studying English. I am talking to my students. Okay, so did you notice there are two verbs, right? So at the beginning up here, my friend is visiting. So we have the be verb and then the activity visit with ing. The next one, are listening. Next one, are studying. And last one, am talking. Okay, so how do we make a sentence? How do we write a sentence? And this is the rule, right? This is how we can form or make the sentence. First one is the subject. That is usually the person or the thing that's doing the activity. Then the be verb, and we need to change it to the present. That means we need to use am, is, are. And the last one is the verb with ing. Those three letters are important. Ing at the end. So the last verb is your action verb or main verb. That is the activity or the movement you are doing. Okay, and sometimes we use the letters S for subject, B to remind us of the be, and V for the verb with ing. So here's a sentence, very short. Bob is walking. Okay, so that one's correct. We have a subject, Bob, that's the person. The be verb in present is, and the verb walking. Walking. It's a verb plus ing. Okay, then we have another example. Tanya and Lucy are singing. Okay, how many people in the subject? Right, there's two people, Tanya and Lucy. So it's okay to have one or two or many people in the subject. Then the verb is are. We change it to the present. And singing is the activity. Singing. Okay, so with the verb, it's very important to remember the last three letters, ing. That's how we know, and that's how we can understand that people are talking about the time right now. So like this woman in the picture, she is walking. She is walking. For you, you are studying. You are studying. Driving. My brother is driving. My brother is driving. All right. For the last one, we will have a video about the spelling changes. But in this case, if you have a verb that ends with E, like drive or make, you need to remove the E. We don't need it with ing. Okay, so write in the comments, take a second, and tell me, what are you doing right now? Write one big sentence. All right, so here you see the grammar chart. So this one you can take a picture or maybe put that in your notebook if you want to study it. It has the subject, all the people, the be verb in simple present, and the verb with ing. So I'm just going to read them to you. I am talking. You are talking. He is talking. She is talking. It is talking. We are talking. They are talking. Okay. So here we have some common mistakes. And of course, a mistake is when you have to use your eraser. You maybe had a problem or you could not remember the correct style. So everything here has a mistake. Can you find the mistakes? So first one, I talking on the phone. Second, you is doing homework. And third, she is eat right now. Okay, not correct. So here in the blue on the right side, first one, they forgot the be verb. So it should be I am talking. Second one is the wrong be verb. So we have to be careful. If we talk about you, it's you are, not you is. So just remember, double check your work. And the last one, the person forgot ing. So she is eating right now. And here are the corrections. I just wrote them down. So the correct, I am talking on the phone. You are doing homework. She is eating right now. Okay, I hope you found those answers. Alright, if you like these videos, remember to subscribe, and that way you can watch videos every week. So one video of English every week. Alright, here's our quiz. We do have a practice today, and we see a verb at the end, and you have to put the two verbs. Remember, present continuous are two verbs. So I'll read them really quickly to you. Make sure you write them down, and then I'll give you the answers in 5 seconds. So we blank blank to the store. Mrs. Martinez blank blank coffee. You blank blank a lot of English. I blank blank to music. Sunny and Carol blank blank breakfast. Okay, so I'll give you 5 seconds to write the answers. Okay, here are the answers. So first one, we are going to the store. We are going to the store. Number 2, Mrs. Martinez is drinking coffee. Mrs. Martinez is drinking coffee. Number 3, you are learning a lot of English. You are learning a lot of English. Number 4, I am listening to music. I am listening to music. Number 5, Sunny and Carol are cooking breakfast. Sunny and Carol are cooking breakfast. Okay, so if you learned something today, remember to put the thumbs up. That means you like it and other people will find the video. And of course, like I said before, you can subscribe to the video to get new videos every week. And thank you for your time.